How to update WavePad Audio Editor. First of all, open WavePad Audio Editor on your computer. Next, click on the Help menu located at the top of the window. From the drop-down option, select Check for updated version. The software will now connect to the internet and check if a newer version is available. If an update is found, a prompt will appear asking you to download and install the latest version. Click Yes or Download to start the update process. Once the download is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to install the update. After installation, WavePad will restart automatically with the latest features and improvements. If no update is available, you will see a message confirming your software is up to date. And that's it. Now you know how to update WavePad Audio Editor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.